Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make this side dish of Mexican street corn. So this is a super easy side that you can make to go along with dinner, and it's just 2 cans of corn. You want to make sure you drain them. We're going to do the zest and the juice of a lime. And you want to make sure that when you're zesting your lime that you're not getting any of the white pithy part. You're only getting like the very top layer, the green, just because the white pithy part is like really bitter and you don't want that in your corn. And if you don't have a fresh lime, you can use, like if you have jar lime juice, you can use that. Fresh is better, but if all you have is the kind that's like pre-squeezed, that will work just fine. About half a cup to 3/4 of a cup of mayo. We're going to do a little bit of pepper. We're going to do some tahini. Tahini is a special sauce that you can get in the Hispanic section of your grocery store. A little bit of chili powder and a little bit of salt. And then I've got some cotija cheese, and I'm going to use about 1/3 of a block. This is cheese, so you can measure with your heart. If you wanted to use half a block, you could. I think a whole block might be a bit excessive, but you know what? If that's what you want to do, you can do that. And then you want to mix that together really well. You just want to, you want to make sure that the lime juice is really well incorporated. But it doesn't take long for it to mix together. If you don't like mayonnaise and you wanted to substitute something for the mayonnaise, you could add sour cream. I think that would work pretty good, but there it is. This is a great side dish for an easy dinner. If you wanted to see more, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.